Alright, today we're gonna do a fishing challenge with my buddy behind the camera.
Yeah.
You will see him later.
Right.
Why did you make that noise? We're gonna measure the fish with this tape measure and this regular measure off eBay. Okay, you probably heard that, but biggest fish wins something cool.
Let's start.
Let's get it. Alright. Okay, so hey, Igor. Igor, go over here. Igor. Give you all of it. Thank you, master. Okay. So, just get this. Okay. Hold this. Okay. I'm gonna use a little piece of bread. Make sure this hard part's flat. Do that part away. And we're gonna fold it like this. Okay. And get this stupid hook. You put it through it. Like so. Ow, that poked me. Okay. And you like that, and then you're just ready to go. Now let's go cast it and catch a big fish.
A lot of action going on.
Hey, it takes some time.
2 hours later. What? You gotta back up for this, you gotta fling this real good. Should we put some breadcrumbs over there? What? Right. We threw some breadcrumbs in there. Hopefully the catfish are gonna go for it. Actually, I forgot to tell you, I'm here to help Ilya record his videos. He sounds depressed. Did your girlfriend dump you?
Not yet.
Not yet? Wait, what? Catching a big fish.
This sucks. That was a fish that just took it. But now we gotta get some more bread. Thank you, my lady. Not that.
Ah!
Damn it.
I need the crumbs. Same thing as we did always, okay? So we get this, just poke it right through. I'm really depressed because I didn't catch anything. But it's okay. It's okay. Just keep trying until it gets better. Okay?
What?
It's a
Oh,
20.
he got one.
Quonky. It's a
Wait,
20.
hold it.
Look at this one. Look at this beautiful creature. It's a small one, I'm sad now.
It's dancing.
Okay, that's his first fish. Let's measure it, and we'll tell you the results. Wait, one second.
Okay.
Stop moving! Okay. Kiss the fish goodbye.
No.
Bye, fishy. Check him out. Wait. What are we gonna name him?
Jeff. No,
Goodbye,
name
Jeff.
Fishy.
My name's Jeff.
Bye, Jeff. Okay. Many might have not known this. Ilya for sure didn't. That catfish are carnivorous animals. They like meat, so we brought sausage. Look at this big one.
I zoomed in.
Okay. Hopefully, it's gonna be nice and juicy. Hopefully, they're gonna go for it. I'm not gonna put that much on there. There you go.
Just put a little bit.
That should be enough.
I want to see.
Going for the deep end. Big fish like the deep end.
Okay.
Right. Here
Alright.
goes.
He's gonna go for a deep end. Let's see how he does it. Use search.
Epic fail.
Hey, how about I cast it?
No.
Okay.
Gotta learn how to use it.
Oh, I was on it. Oh, no way.
Oh, that was so fast.
No way. I gotta make it longer. Dude, you're using it wrong. Flip the other side. It's the other side. Flip it. This little thing right there is where you put your index finger. Yeah.
Upside down.
Yeah.
Pretty
That's
hard.
that. Everything else is the same, yeah. You just cast it and then you swish. Bam. All right, just let it sit. Let it sit. Our channel's game plan. Us three of us here.
What?
We're all in it.
Not putting us on game.
My balls.
Serge, what do you think of me and you making a YouTube channel about fishing?
Yeah.
Beauty.
Oh, look at that!
Beauty.
Oh,
No way.
that's the biggest
No
fish I've
way.
ever caught.
Oh no
Look
way.
at that.
No way,
Look.
man. No way.
Alright, measure this, boy. Measure this fishy.
Alright,
dude.
measure this good fish.
Alright, let's measure this fishy.
Alright.
Smaller thing.
I'll catch you guys in a few. So he put a smaller bait, so the fish can actually eat it for once in like, let me guess, like 8 minutes, 9 minutes. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we
Watch
got.
our bread now.
Okay, go use bread. Where's bread?
Record this.
I am recording still. Okay. Yeah, you get bread and use the crust. Like I showed you, fold it. What is that?
Slug.
Oh my
No!
God, I know how to tie my shoe.
Wait, record this. Record this.
You don't.
Then why did you do
Ever
that?
see a slug?
I just tied my shoe.
Really slimy? Ugh.
Just keep doing
Oh. Looks so gross just touching it.
Let's hope catfish like slugs.
Let's do it.
Oh.
Easy, easy.
Ready?
No way! He got his first fish! Look at this tense! Oh man.
the same one as
Oh,
you.
this is bigger.
Alright, boys.
Flap, flap, flap,
Put the
flap,
brick
flap,
on
flap.
it.
Let me hold it. Let me hold it. Let me hold it.
Look at this. Good,
Oh.
good catch, man. Good catch. See, bread works. See, bread works. Ow.
Put it under the brick. We shall measure it.
Case is gonna be all.
Okay, let it. Okay, get the measuring.
Let's measure that brick first. That's about 8 inches. Let's put the
Well-
fishing next to it.
No,
This-
don't,
this.
don't touch. Just.
It was
There you go.
Okay,
still.
let's chill it out.
Ooh.
Okay, it's on the brick.
Alright, so.
You're gonna
that's
kill it like that. Alright.
6.5 inches.
No, wait.
Yeah?
6.5.
6.5.
Get out, actually.
Actually, it's 6.5. I can measure properly. You don't measure from that way?
Guys, come on, hurry up, Zed. Die.
No, it's not. I'm getting its tail. Okay. And then of the tail. Here, measure. Hey, get close, get close. Okay. From the end of the tail. There you go.
That's 7.5.
7.5.
It's good.
Actually be gone.
Alright, Zed, take out the hook really quick. Where's the hook? Oh, it's like in. Oh, of course, it's inside his mouth.
It's in its eye.
See, catfish. Why?
Actually, no, it's not. Never mind.
Well, for me, I caught freaking 2 fish in the eye.
Okay.
Beauty. Look at this beauty.
I'm gonna name this one Bobby.
All right, Bobby.
Goodbye,
Be
Bobby.
gone, Bobby.
Be gone, Bobby.
And you will never see.
Suck it!
It's recording?
Now, friend Roman's recording. That way you can see both of us.
Yeah.
We're gonna catch 3 fish in total. Whoever catches the biggest fish out of all those 3 is the winner. Right now, his first fish is around 6 inches. I don't know. Should pop on the screen right now. And my fish is 8.5, right? 8.5. Okay. Got the bread on?
Give me the bread.
Is that good enough? I think we need more bread.
Just like that. No hook showing. But the hook's inside, so the fish gonna have trouble getting there.
Oh man, you are so wise.
I'm not the smartest person.
Okay.
Which way does it go?
I'm gonna go get some more bread right now. Go. Don't kill us.
I know, just let it sit. Wait till the fish comes in.
So like, press the button again. Let's see.
The bread's gone. That's great. Actually, hold on. Actually, why we go for deep? If there's this fish right in front of us. Maybe one of us is lucky. You want. It's not long, it's not big.
This is the first one or second one?
This is my second.
It depends which one he gets now.
The nose. I think he can breathe anymore. Anyway. Well, that sucks to be him.
Let's measure the length of the fishy.
6 inches.
fishy 6 inches.
Yeah.
Now, what would you call your fishy?
Leave him Timmy.
Ah, Timmy.
This is Timmy, the little fish.
He's going back into water.
Oh, he's dirty.
Timmy's now dead.
Now we're gonna wait for my buddy Serge. Dude, I caught a 6 inch. He still beat me.
But it's a new round.
Alright, so I'm behind the camera. And now we got Serge, who ran all the way to my house, way down there, just to get
a
bread.
piece of bread.
Just to get a piece of bread. Now, getting some bread right here. Just toss that one array. That's a little big piece, so I'd probably break it apart.
No.
Okay. Alright, let's see if you can get a 10 incher.
10 inches.
10 inches.
The piece of bread.
A piece of bread.
It's pretty hot.
I know. Alright, we're set.
Thank you.
Alright, this is for my 3 subscribers. This cast will catch the biggest fish in the pond. Bet. Shout out to all my 3 subscribers. You almost hooked the sister.
That'll be the first view on this bet.
Okay, just let us sit. And now we'll let him,
We are gone.
now let Serge do his job. So the gig with my kid fishing rod I used to have when I was a kid, and I still have it.
This is it?
Yeah, so when
Is this why it's so trash?
yeah. And there goes the bait.
hook got stuck on a piece of seaweed. Try to pull it off.
Alright, we are right now using another bread. Because this person...
comes off, I'm gonna actually hang myself. This is big. It's the only way. Click on the screen so it focuses.
good.
The only way it's not gonna come off.
Watch it come off, guys. Watch it come off.
I'm gonna come with
Bet.
Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.
Yeah, like what he said. Got a fish. Oh. Oh.
It was a big one too.
Yeah, it was a big one. You guys saw that, right?
Yeah.
The rod just bent. Ow.
This is what ninja practice. This is what ninjas do to practice in the free time.
What'd you do? What'd you do? Did the weight come off? Are you serious?
In the video.